So now, next method is that payback period is over because of combined problem. We have to do next combined. After understanding all these methods, we have to do combined sums. Now, next method is accounting rate of return. Accounting rate of return, or you can write average rate of return. Average rate of return. See here, average rate of return or accounting rate of return, it is one of the important technique for evaluating capital budgeting proposals or projects. See, according to the accounting rate of return method, for the calculation of accounting rate of return method, we have to consider cash inflow or return or income after depreciation and tax with the average investment, or it takes into account earning over the life of the project. That is called accounting rate of return method or average rate of return. Understood? In other words, average rate of return method or accounting rate of return method, it shows the relationship between the income after depreciation and after tax with the average investment. That is called accounting rate of return. Shall I write here? Accounting rate of return or average rate of return equals average income or profits after depreciation and tax. Depreciation and tax divided by average investment multiply by 100 into 100. Now question arises, this is opposite to payback period. In payback period, what we have taken? Income after tax before depreciation. Remember, for the calculation of accounting rate of return, we want income after depreciation and after tax. But in calculation of what we done in calculation of payback period, we have considered income after tax before depreciation. But here after depreciation and after tax means we have to deduct depreciation, we have to deduct tax. Okay. Now after understanding this equation, now how to calculate average income or cash inflow after depreciation and tax? See, note here, average income after depreciation and tax equals total income or total profits divided by number of years. So you apply the equation, you look at average. Average income means what? You have to take total income after depreciation and tax. Suppose 1 lakh divided by number of years. They will give 5 years. That is divided by 5 years. Like that is called average income after depreciation and tax. And here, what is this average investment? Average investment equals original investment minus scrap value divided by 2. That is called average investment. See, if in the question, if additional working capital is given, scrap value is given, at the time for the calculation of average investment is different, depends on the question. Now we see, or if additional working capital is given, means how to calculate? Average investment equals, short form I wrote, average investment equals original investment minus scrap value divided by 2 plus additional working capital I have written short form in full sentence, working capital plus scrap value. See, this is the equation. Understood? Average investment equals what? Original investment or cost of machine minus scrap value divided by 2 plus additional working capital. If it is given, means add, plus again once again you have to add scrap value. So this is called calculation of average investment. When if additional working capital is given, we should remember this. Then apply equation. Average rate of return, accounting rate of return equals average investment, means this amount, divided by average investment, means this amount, then multiply by 100, you will get certain percentage. So highest percentage of accounting return should be preferred. They are suggestions and suggest which machine should be preferred. So we have to write suggestion. Highest accounting rate of return means the income which is given highest percent, that machine should be selected. That is called the accounting rate of return or average rate of return. See, start problems on this accounting rate of return method or average rate of return method. See, in this question number 1, question number 13, according to my question number 13. See here, they are given one problem. First, question number 13. A company take a project and initial investment or original investment required rupees 1,20,000. Original investment how much? 1,20,000 is initial investment. And net income before depreciation and tax. Before depreciation and tax is given below, but we want income after depreciation and after tax. But here they given ulta. They given before depreciation they added, before tax they added. But we have to deduct tax first, then we have to deduct for depreciation, and we have to deduct tax. Then only we get income or cash inflow after depreciation and after tax. Let us see that question. Is question number 13. Solution: calculation of income after depreciation and after tax. We want this. Let us see first column here. Not necessary here. The question is given. They only given. So we want this particulars. Then rupees. Particulars rupees. See here, they are given in the question. First year, second year, third, 5 years given. Income after they given. Before depreciation tax is 30,000, 36,000, 42,000, 48,000, 60,000. We want total profit. You should add total income or total profits. Total profit before depreciation and tax which is given in the question. We have to add total profit. Total profit before depreciation and tax. We want total profit. Total profit you should add. How much total profit? Add 30,000 plus 36,000 plus 42,000 plus 48,000 plus 60,000. Total profit is 2,60,000. Then what we deduct? First, after depreciation, we have to deduct depreciation less total depreciation. See, remember total depreciation. See here, total depreciation equals, according to this equation here, cost of investment or investment minus scrap value. Scrap value have to take. The cost of original investment is how much? 1,20,000. Scrap value 0. Means how much? 1,20,000 you have to deduct. So you will get this minus this 96,000. 96,000. This is called total income or total profit before depreciation. Before tax. After depreciation, before tax. Before tax. Then we have to deduct less tax at the rate of what percent given? 50%. Tax at the rate of 50%. You have to deduct 50% of this 96,000 to 50 divided 100. You want 96,000 into 50 divided by 100. You will get 48,000. 48,000. Deduct 48,000. Remaining is how much? 48,000. This is called, we want this income, total income, total profit after depreciation and after tax. See, we got this total profit after depreciation and tax we want. Now apply equation. Next step, apply equation. What equation? ARR. Calculation of ARR. Accounting rate of return equals. Now, accounting rate of return equals total average profits after depreciation and tax. Depreciation and tax divided by average investment. Average investment multiplied by into 100. Now we want average profit after depreciation tax. See, total profit. We want average of this total profit. Now we want this. What? This. Average profits equals total profits divided by number of years. Total profit after depreciation tax how much? 48,000 divided by how many years? 5 years take one project. What is the total? 5 years. 9,600 rupees. This is called average profit after depreciation and tax. Then we want, what is this? Average investment. Average investment equals average investment equals original investment minus scrap value divided by 2. Original investment minus scrap divided by 2. Original investment how much? Cost of investment 1,20,000 minus scrap value 0 not given divided by 2 equals 60,000. 1,20,000 divided by 60,000. Now apply. Okay. See, average investment equals original investment minus scrap value divided by 2. Original investment 1,20,000 minus scrap value 0 divided by 2. So 1,20,000 divided by 2. So you will get 60,000. 60,000. So apply equation. Accounting rate of return equals average profit after depreciation tax. Average profit is 9,600 divided by average investment 60,000. 60,000 into 100. So you will get 16%, 16%. 16%. This is called the accounting rate of return or average rate of return. Average rate of return. This is problem number 13. I hope you understand. Next question is question number 14. You see question number 14. Question in this ARA second question. A project invest